Hi, and welcome. We are going to be making a copper tree today. This is a decoration for a planter pot, but it's also nutritious. Plants need copper and they love having a source nearby. So we're going to make our planter pots adorable while we're feeding our plants. The very first thing that you'll need to gather for this is three 20 centimeter pieces of copper wire and 6 seed beads, but grab yourself a couple of extra because they like to jump around. So take one of those pieces of wire and one of your seed beads, and we are going to thread this bead a little less than halfway up the copper wire. So I've got quite a bit of length on this side. I'm actually going to pull it back through a little bit. And once you're a little less than halfway threaded up, we're going to fold the wire around that bead and then overlap them a little because most of what we're doing here is twisting. Now, once we've got a nice X there, hold with the hand with the bead and twist. About 5 times. And then we end up with this. Now, our legs should be uneven of our leftover wire, and on the longer of the two, we're going to thread one more bead. If your legs are even, that is just fine. Trees like to have branches and roots that are different lengths, and we're going to make 3 of this piece. So now this second bead, leave just a little bit of room because we're going to repeat what we just did with that first one. We're going to fold the wire over the bead and then we're going to twist. So I like to fold the wire in a way that helps me, which is to start it out and then go ahead, hold on to that bead, and the hand that's holding the bead should be the one twisting. We're going to twist that up until they meet. 9, 10. Wow, that's a long one. All right, so now we've got this funky looking doodad, and we're going to bend our 2 beads up to meet each other. And what that's going to do is give us the rest of our wire, which is our branch. And it's going to make this easier to continue twisting because that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the twist. So hold on to it. The hand that holds the beads should be the one that's moving. And do this probably about 20 times. But you should not do it to the end. We do want some pieces left so that we can make some roots that poke down into the soil out of them. I lost count. Congratulations to anyone who counted for me. But this is what we want to end up with. And we're going to do that with the other 2 wires that we're doing with our project. Go ahead and repeat that 2 more times.